Hey guys, JFigures1 here, and I've come across some things for somebody from a partnership, and this is to pretty much teach how to how to get your shows rated, and put up for warnings or anything before anything happens. If you don't want if you want to have a rating system, this is pretty much for people that are partnered, because when you're partnered, you can make shows. And what shows are is pretty much where you make a series of something and they put up warning signs saying, warning, this show contains this, that, and the other. This is the way of how to do it if you're a partner. First things first, you go to your video manager. And like I said before, you have to be a partner. So it's going to show up right here in this corner. If you don't see it over here, that means you're not partner. You can't do anything about that. But if you are a partner, you can click on shows. And you see I've already made a couple of shows myself. And some of them are improved and some are improved. I'm going to show how you can go about making a new show, but I'm not going to kind of fully make a new show. So what happens is you put the name of your show here. We'll put Untitled. And the description of the show. And then this is pretty much to let you know, it's asking if you ever have an episode on title, you can do it as. Add your tags that you want to. How long you think your series is going to last. Is this going to be a continuous series, you can make it last as long as you want. But if it's just going to be a short series, just make it for that year. Then you'll put your name here. And if you have any other people working with you, you can put that there. And then what type it is. Most of mine's mostly gamer, but I'm just going to choose the main three that it'll probably be as in comedy. But the main primary is going to be gaming. And then the language that you're going to use it mostly in. Mine's going to be English. Don't know anything else. So alright, so you save your changes. And bam, you've made your show. Your show is here, and it's, you can do what you want with your show. Now, the graphics part, that comes later when you want to put your graphics of, like, the big thumbnails, because they're going to have it to where you can actually subscribe to a show if you want that show. If people like that show, they can subscribe to it. So every time the show pops up, it'll automatically go into their feed that, hey, this show that you've been looking for already comes up, so they can subscribe for that show by itself. So you can make like a big thumbnail for the background and a small thumbnail to show, for the small icons. Now this is where everything gets here. So you add a season, and we're going to say season 1. And so you'll add episode. So you would search for what episode you want to add on here. We'll just do it with this one. Select that one, and then it automatically titles the first part to it. So you'll get Untitled, blah blah blah. If you already have a description for it and everything, it'll keep that there. You can type what episode number. We'll put 1. You don't have to worry about this part because they'll automatically put an end date if you don't do it. You leave this at web unless you're going to do it anywhere else, but mostly it's going to be on. If you're mostly going to be on web, it's going to be on web. If you don't add anything here, they'll add the whatever you put into it when you first make the show. And here, right here, rating system. It already lets you know your episodes will be age gated if you do not provide a rating. So you go to rating YouTube, and then a whole list of stuff comes up. So if you have anything with drugs, language, strobe lights, nudity, violence, sex, any of that sort, you can put it here, and then YouTube will warn and then age rate it, so people won't be able to watch it. So if there's like any type of nudity or like anything of the sort, it'll put that there, and it'll let people know, hey, you can't be this. So it'll age grade it, and it'll probably age grade it anyway if you're not of age, because it'll say if you're not this age, you can't really watch this video because of these things. So you pretty much don't have to worry about it. Then you would save here, and then another option would come up and saying, hey, you can put up your how you want your revenue, have that all set up. If you already have it uploaded, you can just put the times of when you want your ads to come out. If you don't have it uploaded, it'll just say show pre-roll ads. And that's pretty much the gist of it. If this is you want for your rating system, if this helped, Let me know in the comments below if there's anything else you want me to ask me about. Please, I am open for all suggestions. J for Gamers 1 is signing out and hoping you enjoyed.